depending on what type of connection you have on your laptop or desktop. If you have this 4-pole connector, then this is all you need. This is gonna carry the signal for your headphones and your microphone. However, if you have separate connections for your headphone and microphone, you can go ahead and put this adapter on there. It's very hard to see here, but there is a symbol for headphones here and there's a symbol for microphone. They should have made it color or something. So you're gonna go ahead and plug this into your headphone and then to your microphone. And hopefully those two things are fairly close to each other because there isn't much cable to separate. Okay, now let's take a closer look and try it out with my Philips Fidelio headphones. So again, this microphone is intended for those headphones that have an audio connection on one side only that's 3.5 millimeters, such as these headphones here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug it in here, goes in just like that, and there you go. There's your microphone. I don't think it matters which way it's oriented, as there is openings here and here. So the one thing I didn't notice in the package was instructions, but you could always go online and check those out. I really like how malleable this microphone is and how it just stays. I always have such a hard time with the Mod Mic 5. I'm really liking this. It's a better option and it's also cheaper than the Mod Mic 5. This is about, I think 33 or something like that. Mod Mic 5 costs a lot more, you know, upwards about 65 or something like that. So there you have it. There is the microphone with the Philips Fidelio X2HR. I'm definitely gonna try this out. I'm looking forward to gaming with it. Again, these Philips Fidelio X2HR are probably my new favorite gaming headphones. Now they're gonna be possibly my new favorite gaming headset with the help of the V-Moda BoomPro.